So before you start developing apps for Android, there are a couple of development kits that you need to download. The first one is the Java Development Kit, popularly known as the JDK. You can go to Google and search for JDK downloads to find the link, or you could also visit the Oracle's official website and you'll be able to find the download for the JDK. And once you are on the download page, here it says Java SE Development Kit. So make sure that you're downloading the development kit here. And it is okay to download the latest version. Currently, the latest version is 8 and we are going to download it. But there's just one caveat. Android as of today does not support Java 8's language features. So you'll not be able to use Java 8 specific language features such as Lambda expressions. That is the only limitation. Other than that, you're good to go. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that you have the Java SE Development Kit along with the latest version that is available. And in order to download the JDK, you have to accept Oracle's license agreement. And if you accept the Oracle's license agreement, you'll be able to download the software. Here you have a nice little table that contains the downloads for every operating system that you may have. We have installers for Linux, Macintosh, we also have for Windows. So it's your responsibility to download the appropriate version for your operating system. And once you click on one of these links, you'll be able to download an installer and you can install it just like any other application on your operating system. So we are good to go with the JDK. And after you've installed the JDK, you have to go to developer.android.com and under develop, you'll find the tools option. And when you click on Tools, you'll be presented with this page from where you can download Android Studio. Android Studio is the official Android IDE, and it is a lot more powerful than Eclipse, which was previously offered by Google. Since Google is no longer working on Eclipse, you have to switch to Android Studio sooner or later. Personally, I find Android Studio a lot more powerful and a lot more productive than Eclipse itself. And to download Android Studio, you have to go ahead and click on Download Android Studio for the corresponding operating system that you are using. I'm currently using Windows. You could be on Linux or Macintosh, and Android Studio is also available for other platforms. There is only one situation where you may have to use Eclipse, that is, sometimes on older machines, Android Studio is a bit slow. So if you are on an older machine on which you are not able to use Android Studio, you can go ahead and download Eclipse with ADT. But remember, Eclipse with ADT is no longer in active development. So you may have to make the switch really soon. Almost all the videos in this course were made using Eclipse. However, you shouldn't find it hard to make the switch to Android Studio. Getting around Android Studio is really easy. And in order to make it even more easier, I've also made a few videos that will help you to make a switch from Eclipse to Android Studio. That is it. And once you've installed Android Studio, let's get started working on some really good Android applications.